To better assist Long Beach residents with mental health emergencies, the Long Beach Fire Department has teamed up with experts to receive training and coping skills needed for first responders on duty.
The First Response Mental Health Training is a new series of web-based training modules that provide first responders with essential orientation to readily identify the signs of mental illness in the field and to de-escalate these encounters safely and effectively. Funded by a grant from the Amundsen Foundation, the videos can be accessed on the Guidance Center's website today at no cost to any fire department across the country.
Training requires taking people out of the field off the streets, and that created the idea to create a series of videos instead. The goal being that they be short enough and practical and pragmatic so that people did not have to be taken off the streets. They could be seen during roll call or in between calls. Now today, well over 400 departments as far away as Perth, Australia, are using our videos. That to me spoke to a real thirst in the community for knowledge and skills around mental health.
Videos were produced by the Guidance Center, Los Angeles Fire Chiefs Association, Los Angeles Regional Training Group, and the Long Beach Fire Department and their mental health evaluation teams, each providing reputable knowledge in mental health and trauma expertise.
First responders are increasingly being called upon to serve not only as paramedics and firefighters, but to step into the role as a crisis manager. These roles include, in some cases, a social worker and therapist. The First Response Mental Health Training is another tool that will assist us in meeting these demands and doing it in a way that addresses the root of the problem and not simply the symptoms. We are in the business of saving lives. It is imperative that we continue to provide the best resources possible to our personnel as they go out into our communities and respond to those experiencing a crisis.
This video series teaches practical skills to help first responders with a broad range of concerns. The topics covered include de-escalation assessment of the mentally ill, interfacing with homeless and mentally ill, active suicide, understanding autism, what to do when it's a child, limitations of psychiatric holds, empathetic notification, and self-care. So as an organization, the Los Angeles Fire Chiefs Association embraces this training and looks forward to its use by thousands of first responders in the Los Angeles region.
According to the National Institute of Mental Health, nearly 1 in 5 U.S. adults live with mental illness. Access to facilities decreased as COVID-19 created barriers for those seeking resources and care. Programs like the First Responders Mental Health Training videos will offer training to properly assist individuals in crisis. To learn more, visit the Guidance Center at tgclb.org.